Hello everyone, and this video is for all those who wanted to know about life purpose. So here is a small snippet about how do we identify life purpose. So before I actually go deep down and make you understand what your life purpose should be and how to identify it, please try to understand why life purpose is important and why this word is suddenly becoming a new fashion or trend, right? So what exactly is life purpose? So the life purpose is something which you always have from your childhood, or maybe in a very younger age you have realized that you enjoy doing it. It gives you some kind of immense happiness within, and your soul is elevated. So it could be anything, it could be anything. But now, to give a practical application on that, sometimes it might change into a career, and sometimes it might not change into a career, right? And even if you're changing into a career, you have to invest money and you have to see practically whether you would be happy. What is your priority? Do you want money? Do you really want financial support? And you want, you're very ambitious materialistically, then probably you might have a dilemma of which one to select, whether you should go with life purpose or whatever you studied. Or sometimes it may also happen that you've studied only those subjects, or you have been certified only on those things which is a life purpose of yours. So you need to first identify what makes you happy from since you were a child. Then when you started growing up, what was that which made you really happy from within? And is any career which is related to it something which you can connect to? Is your being materialistic or being financially sound, too much money is important in your life? Then you might have to find a balance between your life purpose and your career. So in case if it matches, then you can convert that life purpose to your career. So the very first thing which you need to understand before you can think about life purpose is, does it make you happy? Does your soul is basically in its own aura which you want, like positivity, high vibration, happiness? Do you feel all these things when you do certain things? Then that may be your life purpose. Also, in case, suppose for example, some people, they love helping others, they love organization to grow, and they find that their true calling, instead of doing some IT work, is let's organization grow. So they get a life purpose and a career simultaneously. Some people enjoy beautifying the house, and they do interior designing, so this can be their life purpose. So you need to ask yourself, what is that work, what is that job, what is that task which doesn't drain me? If I am going to an office and I am there for 9 to 6, 9 to 7, and I'm drained out, I'm not feeling positive, I'm not feeling energetic, I don't feel like going to the office at all, I don't enjoy the work I am doing, then probably it is a time that you go deep within and try to understand what exactly are the things that you enjoy. And then you can identify them, and then you can pick it from your childhood, you can pick it from an adult when you were growing up, and then you can pick up with the recent thing which you have just identified, and then do a practical analyzing if that can be converted into your true career or life purpose. Or also sometimes people want to have a career and then they do find out their own life purpose and they segregate their time accordingly. Like some people do free healing, some people try to empower others, some people enjoy craft, painting, and but they don't want to make a career out of it, but they enjoy, so they make segregate certain timings, they earn, and then at the same time they are doing something. Some people want spiritual satisfaction, so they undergo different spiritual courses, or they just go and take a kind of hermit mode, they go for a hermit mode, they learn, and then they come back with with lots of energy. So the three basic points which I can say to identify your life purpose would be anything which makes you happy and has got a practical application, right? So that will be one parameter to judge whether it is your life purpose. Secondly, when you do it, you don't feel drained out, and you don't have to ask 10 people whether that is your life purpose, that is your truest calling. right? That is your heart desire, that will come automatically. And third would be, it would only come out of anybody's influence. It has to be from your heart, directly from your heart, hammering onto you every next time, every next moment, that do this. This is for you. You enjoy this. Connect to these people. And then when you start thinking about, you attract also those kind of energy and people, and you get roadmap to get into that life purpose zone. So these would be the 3 tips to understand if it is your life purpose. And anything which is negative, which is low vibration, which is pulling you down, can never be your life purpose. I hope it helps. And if you still have any questions, because it's a topic which we can discuss on and on, so if you have any other question and you want some answers or some curiosities you have about life purpose, please do drop in some messages, and you can connect to me through direct messages, and I will try to answer them. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay happy.